Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this Granny Square source book. Today's video is the final fruit, finally, and it looks like this, the Nectarine Square. I think this one is the most challenging of them all, mostly because of the shape. It's not symmetrical and stuff like that, so that is very exciting. I thought I would take you with me to pick the colors this time around. Here is where I keep all my yarn. It's a mess, I know. This yarn, this one, oops, this one, obviously, for the, okay. And this one. And for the background, this one. Okay. Am I forgetting anything? I really need to organize this. Ugh. I've got my colors right here. First things first, let's do the seed. Is it called a seed when it's that big? Like an apple seed? And a peach pit. Aha! This is the pit. Let's work on the pit. So I've got my yellow right here. My yellow. Pretty good at guessing how much yarn I would need for this round. Nice. Done with the yellow. As most of you guys probably already know, I love thrifting, and a couple years ago I found this sweater. It's so cute and it's been made by a grandmother, and I know this because the tag says made with love by Granny, like in French. Anyway, it's just super cute. Some people find it really sad that those kind of things are gifted in a thrift store. I think it's great because I get to find it and I get to wear it. How cute is it? I really like it. What's the next color? This peachy color. Yep. Yep. What? I don't get it. Wait. Oh, okay. I wish I could have someone have their finger point where I'm at in the diagram, because I get so confused. Like, I think I'm here, but actually I've gone here, or I'm like on the next one, but I don't realize, and I think I'm on that one. Like, I wish someone could just point it out while I'm doing it. I do find that it helps when I talk to myself out loud, trying to like remember what I'm supposed to be doing. Perfectly unsymmetrical. I'm doing a very good. It kind of looks like an egg. Like, this could be the yellow of the egg yolk, and this just needs to be white yarn, and then it's an egg. It's an egg. Get over the egg, Emily. This looks like a peach. It has a little pointy end right here, and it's slightly, ever so slightly going inwards right there, and it has 48. I'm not sure if the number of double crochets versus the number of halves versus the numbers of single crochets are where they should be at, but it's giving more or less the shape I'm looking for, so we're just gonna go with it. It's fine. It's fine. Can we just talk about last video? It was so much fun filming with a friend. I had the best time. We were laughing the whole time, and that moment—
oh, Jesus Christ, don't look at my orange.
is iconic. Don't look at my orange. I'm just gonna be saying that from now on. Let's make it happen. Whenever something just doesn't go how you planned or how you thought it was gonna end up, let's just say, don't look at my orange. Shoot, this isn't landing where it's supposed to land. It's supposed to land at this point right here. I think I made a mistake right here, so I'm just gonna go back all the way there. I think I kind of created somehow a stitch I wasn't supposed to. And this row is kind of important because if it doesn't land correctly, then everything is gonna be off in this square, and we can't have that. Maybe it's still not landing perfectly, but I think it's okay. If there is a mistake, it's like by 1 stitch, so it's fine. Oh, my nose is itchy. Maybe this helps, I don't know. I've never done this before. I tried something new, and now not only is my nose still itchy, but my arms are tired. I don't recommend that technique. Oh, those colors are going to be so cute together. Oh. I definitely made a few mistakes. Ah, crap. And I think it shows. Oh, no. That's not going to be a square shape by the end. Just look at how close these corners are and how far these corners are. I did something wrong. Oh, man. I gotta start over. Okay. How am I going to start this over, though? See, I don't know if I should start over because I just counted and they're all okay, except for this one that has like 13 stitches instead of 14 on like all the other ones. Maybe I don't need to start over, even though it does not look square at all. But maybe it'll be fixed in the next row? Should I keep going? I don't know. Will blocking it help? I feel like it won't help. Okay, let me redo once more that row and I'll be right back. Okay, I think it's better. I feel like it's better, so we're gonna go with it. Just don't look too closely.
Don't look at my orange.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. It's fine. It's fine. It's not perfect, but it's fine. The next row is fairly simple. It's a bunch of half double crochets with a chain in the corner, so very easy. Oh, 2 half double crochets in the corner. That's good to know. Am I at the last row and it's a bunch of single crochets? I think so. I still think it's not quite right, but that's okay. I'm just gonna keep going. Why? I was doing so good. I'm gonna add the details off camera because I'm just a little frustrated. And I'll be right back. Done. What do we think? Does it look like a peach? Is it saved? Is it square? I think that's the most important question. Is it square? Does it work as a granny square as it should? Because honestly, I'm not sure. I think I've been staring at it for too long. I really like the colors. Maybe that's also like swaying me towards saying that it's actually working when it's not quite working. Because this side right here is just tighter than these sides right here. Like the math seems right. Let me count again. Yeah, it's 20. It's an 80 stitch square and this one has 20. It is fine. The math is correct. Did I do this correctly? I'm so confused. Does it look square? Oh, it's so cute. The colors just work. Please tell me that this is a success, okay? I need external validation from you guys specifically. In the meantime, I'm gonna believe that it's right. Okay. I'm very happy to be done with the babyish squares. Yeah, so these might still be considered kind of babyish, but I'm still more excited about the idea of making these. These are still going to be fun, and I'm going to learn a bunch. I can tell from these, especially this right here, I'm like, ooh, that looks complicated. But then after that, very exciting things coming up. So yeah, on that note, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!